Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how you can make $10 online for completely free for doing a simple task like you usually do every day, watching videos, liking posts, doing the favorite things of your time, taking tasks like complete tasks. You are making $10 every time. So if you want to make $10, I want you to watch this video to the end and I will show you step by step how it works and how you can make your own money too. How I make mine, I will show you how you can make yours too. So watch this video from the beginning to the end, and I have a bonus at the end of this video if you really take your time to watch this video, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any problem. And again, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you see on this my YouTube channel here, I talk about how you can make money, and I know you will be interested in more ways that you can use to make free money online. There's a tons of video you can see on this my YouTube channel here that you can use to make free money online. So what are you waiting for? Just go and start using them. So let us head over to this website that will allow you to make free money online. So as you can see, this is the website. The website name is TimeBucks. TimeBucks is a very simple website that allows you to make free money online. TimeBucks is a very simple website that allows you to make free money online. Like you make bonus every day, you start earning instantly, referring people to this program, weekly payout, friendly and support staff. So they are friendly and they will support you really. When you contact TimeBucks, they reply you as soon as they see your message. So you don't need to worry about that. So if you click, if you see at the bottom here, you will see that it says sound too good to be true, sign up and let us prove you wrong. So some people, they might go to a website but they will just I don't know if it's true, but you need to really see. Let us see the traffic that is coming on this website. Click on this website that shows you how many visitors that is visiting this website, which is called TimeBucks. As you can see, this website is ranking on 1,000 plus 11,000 plus pace, and you can see that they are getting monthly visitors. They are getting almost 4 million plus visitors every month. They are getting 4 million visitors every month. Every single month they are getting 4 million visitors on their website. The duration time, you can see 10,000 virgule plus 10.35. So you can see that if the duration rate is very, very high. So you can see that. So to sign up on TimeBucks is very, very simple. All you just need to do, like they said, you get paid. Say get paid to post on Facebook via funny slideshow, play games, install apps, complete micro task, and answer surveys, and click on this video button to watch. If you want to learn more about it, you can click on this video. It will take you to their video on YouTube, but you don't need to do that. So click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, you can sign up with your Facebook or your email address. So enter your email address here, enter password, click and re-enter your password, and you come down here, you click sign up now. Accept the table that you are not a robot, and you click on sign up now, and they will send you a verification email and you will verify your account. So once you have verified your account, come back again to TimeBucks.com, click on sign up, and you click on log me in. So let me verify that I'm not a robot and click on sign me in here. So once I click on that, my account will open automatically. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of TimeBucks. They are celebrating Halloween here. That is why you can see this here. And this is my earnings, and this is my referral earning, and this is my bonus, and this is my wallet total earnings. So this my earning now is redeemable. I can cash this money into my PayPal account. It's just for me to verify my ID, give them my ID, and they will send me this money, this $10 on my PayPal account. So if you scroll down here, you will see this is the dashboard where we are right now currently. Here you will find your link. Anyone you refer to this program, you will be earning 15% commission from them, lifetime commission from them. And you say earn 15% commission on their lifetime earnings of anyone you refer to TimeBucks plus 50% commission on their role tab winning. So that is it. You make a lot of money by referring people to this program. That is the first part. And the other part is, if you click on earnings here, it will take you to this section where you will see the earnings of today, the earnings of yesterday, the things that you are doing on TimeBox currently right now. It will show you a tab of everything. So you will see how you are scaling. If you are moving up or moving down, you see the total of earning of today. You can see total of earning today, tasks, everything is 0 because I have not completed any task or anything today. So if you go to all time here, you click on here, you click on forever or lifetime, you will see how much I have earned. If you click like 1 year and you click here, and you will see that the earning session will change. You will see that I've been making money with this method here. So, but I don't want us to go into that. Let me show you how you can make money with TimeBox. So click on earning here, earn, this section that says earn. Click on this section that says earn. I don't want to really go into the how I have earned money. No, I just want to show you how you can make money with this method. So once you click on earning surveys here, so on this section you will see that they will give you multiples of surveys, and you have your daily surveys you can do here. So you can complete this survey to open more surveys for you. So you can see surveys that you can do here. Those are surveys that you can do, and they will pay you a particular amount for doing this survey. So that is the things you need to understand on this website. So you complete task and you are making money. As you can see, this task is going to pay you almost 75 cents. This one is going to pay you 90 cents, and they pay you per cent, but it's not a lot of money, but it's kind of money that you can use for something, you know. So this website is going to pay you 25 cents, this website is going to pay you 50 cents, and this website is going to pay you 87 cents, and etc, etc. Keep on going. This website is going to pay you $1 for doing this task. This website is going to pay you 50 cents. This website is going to pay you. It keeps on going. You can see how much you will make for just doing this task. So you see that you can make even $3. You can see that you can make $3 for just completing a task, and you are making a huge amount of money with this way of completing offers, and you are making money at the end of the day. So that is the things you need to know. So if you come here, the people that have been making money with this method, you can see this person make 13 cents, 30 cents, 87 cents. People that is making money currently right now. So competitions of users. So you can see that people are making money with this website. So all you just need to do is to go and start. So once you click on contest here, contest is kind of a competition that they have. You can click on this section here. You can come to the contest section where you will see that you can do some kind of competition. You can participate in anything here. So if I complete this task, I'm going to get like some tokens on my account, but I don't need to do that because that is not the reason why we are here. And you can even make videos, and you can even still make money for doing this. So as you can see here, people make videos. Once you click on this video section, you can see that people have videos that you can watch. You spend 2 minutes and you are getting paid. So you spend 1 second, 5 seconds, you are getting paid. For people viewing your videos, clicking on your videos, you can see that you are getting views on your videos for just that. You just click on watch and you watch the videos, you get paid 1 cent. You watch video, you get paid 1 cent. Just a second, you are spending just a second of your time, 1 second of your time, 2 seconds of your time watching the video. You click out, you send them a screenshot if they require for screenshot, but you don't need to send a screenshot. It's going to open automatically, and you don't need a screenshot for this. It's completely free. It's very fast. Click on watch, it open on YouTube, you watch it 2 minutes, you come back again, 60 seconds, 60 seconds, 60 seconds, 60 seconds. You see 60 seconds of watching this video, you will earn 1 cent. So that is how I made this $1. But no, that is not really how I made this $1, with referral, with completing task. So if you click on here, like you click on task, you will see people that set task that you will do on this place. So you can see a lot of tasks, people that want you to complete tasks for them, and you are getting paid for doing all these old tasks that you can see on the screen here. So all you just need to do is to go complete those tasks, and you are going to be making money. So you can still refer people to this program. You can still refer people. Click on referral. So this program, this part here, you will refer people like what I told you the first time. You refer people to this program and you are going to be making money for referring people to this program. And you can click on offer words here, which is you shop online. You can see that you can shop from some website. You can install application, watch video from Hideout TV. You know, I have made video about Hideout TV. You can check the video out about Hideout TV in the description below. I have a lot of ways you can make money with Hideout TV. So that is the things you need to do. You can see multiple websites that is partnering with this website, that is Timebox, that you can use to make free money online. Click on AliExpress here. So AliExpress will pay you to go and shop on AliExpress. AliExpress will pay you in different category of their products that they have on their website. AliExpress is a millions how will I say it, millions of dollars website that allows you to shop. You can buy things from AliExpress very cheap. So you can see, click on shop, and when you shop from AliExpress, you are going to be making money for shopping from AliExpress. So you can see that they will pay you for shopping from AliExpress 30 days. That is 30 days that they will give you the funds if you have shop from AliExpress. So you will, anything you do on AliExpress through Timebox, you are going to get paid within 30 days. So because AliExpress product arrive 30 days, it takes 30 days for everything to come to accurate, and whether the person will disqualify, disagree with the product, or if the person is happy with the product, and they would now release the money to you. So you can still click on this section that says interest. So you can do a lot of things on this website on ways on how you can make money online. So that is the things you can do on this website. So if you click on this section that says sweepstakes, so they have daily sweepstakes here. You can go and participate on the daily sweepstakes, and you can, maybe you can be among the winners that can win $200 to $50 to $30, $5 to $10 to $5. So they have different space. First place is winning $200. So that is how it keeps on going, and so on and so on. If you click on premium, they want you to pay to have 25% earning of anything you do on Timebox. So if you upgrade your account, if you want, you can upgrade your account and you can make up to 25% on anything you do on Timebox. Let me read it out. Let me try to read it out. I know this is not really good by doing that, but I just want to say, by upgrading to premium, you will increase your earning on Timebox by 25%, like I just told you. Say just for $4.95 per a week, any task you will do earn 25% more than measure. If you do a task that usually pays $1, you will get 25 cents. For example, that is what they are saying, $1.25 for it. This is only increase normally task earning by just 25%, and exclude referring earning and bonus. It will not be increased by your current existing wallet amount by 25%. Only new task you perform after you become premium exclude offers with rate of 0.000.1 and is rounded to the necessary decimal based on 3 decimals. I don't know what they are trying to say there, but what I understand here is that they are trying to tell you that if you have not, if you have, like, let me see, you have funds, you have a lot of money on your Timebox account, before you sign up as a program or before you upgrade your account, don't think that because you upgrade your account, then all the money you have will be like 15%, 25% will add up to your earning that you have before you upgrade your account. So is from when you upgrade your account, that is when your money will start increasing. Like any task you do from the day you upgrade your account, that is how much you will be making. You'll be making 25% from any money you make from the day you upgrade your account. So there is nothing complicated to understand here. It's very simple to understand. I hope you are getting me, and I hope you are following me. So that is everything you need to know about earning on Timebox. But one thing I need to say on Timebox is that you can increase your earning by referring people to this program. So let me show you the people that I have referred to this program. I don't want to hide anything. I'm making everything honestly. well, I'm not hiding anything. When I talk about how to make money online, I show everything that I use. You can see currently that I have on my wallet. I have on my wallet currently right now $10. So for me to withdraw this $10, all I just need to do is to complete my submit all those requirements that they asked me to. So to complete the task, all I just need to do here is to click on this section here to complete my profile, so that they can verify my profile, so that I can get my money. So as you can see, they say verify identity. So they want my photos. I will write in a piece of paper, writing thank box, and I'll take a picture with it with my face, and you have to make sure that my face show clearly. I will upload it, and I will upload my government issue card, like identity or passport or license. I can update one of them here. So I can click here, update it, and I will now come here and enter my Facebook profile URL, and I click on submit for approval, and they will approve me maybe before 15 days, 2 days, 1 week. They will approve my account. So that is everything you need to know about approving your account with Thankbox. And let me show you my earning too. Is what I wanted to show you, because I was insisting on showing you this how to verify your profile. That is what we just talked about. So on the earning here, once you click on referring earnings, so here you will find all the referrals that I have. Normally you will find all the referrals. If you don't find it, you will see it at the bottom. Normally you are supposed to find all the referrals on my account. Let me scroll down. Normally they are supposed to be showing all the referrals here, but nevertheless it's a legit website, and as you can see currently right now, they are telling me to enter all my information so that I will get my $10, so which is what I will do soon. But I just want to show this video to show you guys that this website is working, and that people should go and check it out. So I will leave the links of this website in the description, so those of you who is interested can go and try this website out, and it will help many of you to make free money online. For those of you who is looking for free ways and free opportunities of making free money online, you see me that I just make $10 just now for just doing a very simple task. So I will say thank you very much, guys. So I will end the video from here, and again, like I said, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to join the giveaway that is going on my website, you can follow the link will be in the description below, which is Canva Pro that I'm giving to 5 people. Follow the instruction will be in the description below too. So check it out, and I'll say thank you very much and peace out.